You're gonna love the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 35,000 miles on this unapologetically rugged Gladiator is the ultimate trail partner. Available with a long list of off-road specific options, this midsize pickup's extended wheelbase offers a smooth ride and roomy rear seating. And tech-savvy infotainment and advanced safety features are on board to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors, bed liner, satellite radio, remote engine start. Feel the adrenaline of adventure when you're on the trail in this Gladiator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.